Hello friends, welcome to Insights. I am Rishabh Jain, your course coordinator and instructor. In this program, I am going to provide you insights on Origin Graphing Analysis software by Origin Lab, which is used by many researchers and engineers to analyze their data. Please subscribe to the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon at the bottom in order to receive timely updates and notifications regarding the program. In this lecture, we will talk about the usefulness of Origin software, then what are the different versions of Origin, and what's new in Origin 2018, and how to obtain a licensed copy of Origin software. Later on, we will discuss the scope of this program. A brief about Origin. Origin Graphing Analysis software is a product of Origin Labs, provides a comprehensive solution for engineers and scientists who need to analyze and professionally present their data. In order to know more, you can also visit their website www.originlab.com. Later in this lecture, we will take you to their website. Moving on to next slide. What is the need for Origin software? Or we can say why we can prefer Origin software over other graphing analysis softwares. Because it offers more than 200 linear and non-linear curve fitting functions, various models for validation, dataset comparison tools, and multidimensional data analysis. It also provides more than 100 built-in templates for graphing which are customizable, and user can also create new templates. And for the industrial users, batch processing of data can be done without any knowledge of programming. Moving on to next slide. As mentioned earlier, Origin Lab offers two different versions of Origin Graphing Analysis software, that is Origin and Origin Pro. There are various additional features present in Origin Pro, such as linear fit with X error, non-linear fitting with implicit functions and with an X and Y errors, surface fitting, fit baseline with peaks, batch peak analysis, distribution fit, multivariate analysis, wavelet analysis, survival analysis, etc. Apart from these features, Origin Pro is having all the features which are contained in Origin version. So, if you are a basic user and do not need any advanced processing of data, you can go with the Origin version offered by Origin Lab, which is relatively cheaper than Origin Pro. Now, let's talk about different editions of Origin software, or we can say what's new in Origin 2018 B, which is the latest edition at the time of this recording. With this edition, they have introduced a new file format, that is OPJU, which is relatively smaller in size and open faster in comparison to old format, that is OPJ, but this file format is not backward compatible. So if you need to use your project in older versions of Origin, you need to save your project in OPJ file format. In this edition, App Center is improved in terms of stability and flexibility. New apps like Send Graphs to Worlds, ODE Solver, Time Frequency Analysis, etc. are introduced with this version. Now we are also able to see preview and thumbnails of workbooks and matrices in Window Explorer and Project Explorer. You can now also open files from Google Drive directly. They have also introduced an active window indicator. New graph types like trellis plot have been introduced. Now, before moving further to the course contents, I'm going to tell you how to obtain a licensed copy of Origin software. Let's go to the Origin website. Before getting to know about licensing, let me tell you, there is a free version of Origin Viewer is also available, which you can install on various machines where you want to view your Origin files. As you can see, Origin 2018B is the latest edition of the Origin software. Now, in order to obtain a license of Origin software, we can click over here. If you are a new user, you can select I have never used Origin before. Depending upon your sector, you can select commercial, government, academic, student. I'll go with the student. Continue. Original app offers two different student versions. First, if you are a new student user, then you can obtain a Origin Pro learning license, which is free with valid university email address. In case you don't have the university email address, then you need to buy a regular student version with a price of $69. Both products are Origin Pro and can be used only on single computer. Origin Pro learning license is valid for 6 months, but regular student version comes up with 1 year license. There is one disadvantage of Origin Pro Learning Edition is that you can open only 12 windows in a single project at a time. But in regular student version, you can open 30 windows at a time. You can get your free copy of Origin Pro by providing the following information: name, university, department, email address, and the reason why you want to use Origin. Then agree with the terms and condition, then click on submit. Let's go back. Now for the commercial users, if you are a new commercial user, then you can obtain an evaluation license for 21 days in order to use Origin for free by filling up these details. But this evaluation license have one major drawback. The graphs you are going to plot will contain a watermark when copied, exported, or printed. Let's go back. This mode of obtaining license is also valid for government organizations and other academic personnels. Now let's get back to the course contents. This course is for basic or entry level users. In this course, we are going to talk about the user interface of Origin, project and data management, about different number of graphs, column, bar, and pie, multi-axis and multi-panel graphs, quick fit gadgets, smoothing of data, finding regression curves, interpolation and extrapolation of data, and data explanation for analysis purposes. Presently, I have planned 20 lectures in this series. Since it is a basic level course and hence can be used for both the versions of Origin, that is Origin and Origin Pro. Students can obtain a free license of Origin Pro Learning Edition in order to proceed with this program. Further, I will be using Origin 2016 edition throughout the course because its layout is similar to 2017 and 2018 editions of the Origin. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also post your queries and feedback in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for future updates. Thank you.